are pleased to show you the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.